Did you know that there are about 70 countries worldwide that is producing coffee? So these countries are mainly located in the midsection of the global map. So we call them, or we call it, coffee belt. And they are found in these regions. One region is in Asia, so Southeast Asia, and then of course there's the northern part of um, Australia, India as well, and then the next region is Africa. So not South Africa, but again within the tropical belt or coffee belt. And then lastly, we have Latin America. Okay, again, not Chile or the southern part of Argentina, but in the middle of the global map. Okay, so now that you know that there's about 70 plus coffee producing countries, the problem is only Brazil, Vietnam are the top producers in coffee production. But even Brazil and Vietnam is having problems now because of climate change and supply chains, geopolitics, and stuff like that. So the end result is we only produce a few coffee beans. So if you follow the law and supply, the law of supply and demand, if the supply is low and the demand is high, the price will jack up. So it now affects everyone from coffee business groups like roasters and coffee shops all the way to us, the end consumers. So you won't be surprised that even the what we call the commodity coffee or instant coffee will be expensive as well. So what do we do now as a commoner and to help this problem or coffee crisis? There are a lot of ways to help, and Passport Turtle is one of the medium that could help this coffee crisis. Okay, um, we have so many plans and objectives, but it's gonna be handled in phases. So we will tell you more about it in our future videos. But in the meantime, just stay tuned about it. Okay.